learning how to land and start to train your body to experience ground reaction forces the right way is so critical to all other function and all other disability up the kinetic chain. And jumping rope is like one of the best ways to learn how to do that.
All of the equipment you see in today's video is available down below. Most people jump rope without realizing what's happening underneath the surface. Do you know what your feet are really going through with every single rep? What he just explained is how jumping rope forces your ankles and feet to handle repetitive force. That's your stabilizer system keeping your entire body balanced. You're not just burning calories, you're teaching your entire nervous system how to respond faster. Think about every jump as a micro landing and takeoff. Your brain and muscles sync up to keep you light on your feet. That's your neuromuscular coordination in action. If you pay attention to every great athlete you know, boxers, sprinters, basketball players, they all use a jump rope. Why? Because it trains the exact qualities they need: rhythm, reaction time, and total body coordination. That's why it's been a part of athletic training for decades. You know what most people overlook? How much power actually starts with your feet. When your takeoff and landing are clean, hips, knees, and ankles all working together, you move smoother and protect your joints. Studies even show that bad landings, like when your knees cave in, are a major reason athletes tear their ACLs. But when your feet are stable, your whole body moves more efficiently, you jump higher, react faster, and stay safer. And honestly, that matters off the court too. Better balance, fewer aches, and just feeling stronger when you move. Strong feet equals strong performance. You'll move better, land better, prevent injuries. Most people don't realize it, but when your feet are weak, your knees and hips overwork. But once you start jumping rope consistently, you'll feel that spring in your step again. Being athletic isn't about dunking, it's about being able to run around with your kids. And if you're serious about building athleticism from the ground up, start jumping rope. I've been saying it for years. It's the simplest fix most people overlook. Let me know in the comments, when's the last time you trained your feet? Now that your body knows how to land and absorb force, the next step is actually using that energy. This is where it turns from balance to pure explosiveness.